In the world of smart living, your home does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine lights that listen and coffee that brews itself. No more stumbling around in the dark. We've got the coolest gadgets that make life easier. And if your vacuum has more personality than your last date, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the must-have tech that'll upgrade your home and add a dash of fun. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Who knew cleaning windows could be this fun? Or this futuristic? The Tosima W3 window cleaning robot is here to turn one of the most dreaded chores into a hand-free experience. With its dual-direction auto-spray system, this little cleaning ninja tackles dirt on all smooth surfaces, while the triple safety system keeps it securely in place. Smart navigation ensures it won't miss a spot, and the remote control makes you feel like a window cleaning superhero. Plus, it comes with 12 rags, because one just isn't enough for all that sparkle. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to spotless windows, all while you relax. The price is just $215. Need a desk lamp that's smarter than your last phone? The Globe Electric 50582 is here to light up your life. Literally. It works with Alexa, so you can control it with your voice, because we all need to feel like Tony Stark sometimes. The lamp has multicolor changing RGB settings, letting you switch from focus mode to party mode with ease. Tunable white light ranges from a warm 2000 K. This smart lamp is the ultimate apartment upgrade. The price is just $20. Say hello to the ultimate fridge upgrade. This 4-door side-by-side refrigerator packs 18.4 cubic feet of storage into a sleek, French design that will make your kitchen feel like a fancy restaurant. Whether it's for your apartment, office, or even commercial use, this full-size fridge has you covered with a frost-free system. So no more chiseling ice like you're in the Arctic. Its spacious compartments make organizing groceries a breeze, and the modern design will have your guests doing double takes. If your snacks deserve a VIP home, this fridge is ready to deliver. The price is just $1,499. For those who struggle to keep their plants alive, the Yoolax Smart Plant Pot is the plant parent helper you've been waiting for. Compatible with your smart home devices, this pot makes gardening as easy as talking to Alexa. It's perfect for adding a splash of green to your apartment, while secretly giving your plants the VIP treatment. Fun to use, and even more fun to control, this smart pot monitors your plant's needs, from water to light. Plus, with its cute yellow design, it's as stylish as it is practical. Your plants may start thriving so much, they'll outgrow their pot. Talk about a green thumb upgrade. The price is just $95. Ready to elevate your work from home game? The ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk is your ticket to a healthier, more dynamic workspace. Measuring 44 by 24 inches, this compact desk fits perfectly in any corner of your home office. With just a push of a button, you can switch from sitting to standing in seconds. No more awkward stretches or post-lunch slumps. It even has memory presets, so you can save your favorite heights for quick adjustments. Plus, its sleek white design gives your space a modern vibe. Say goodbye to the traditional desk and hello to your new favorite work buddy. Price $109.99. Keep your home safe and sound with the eufy Security Camera Floodlight Camera E340. This outdoor powerhouse combines a 360 degrees peek easy camera with a floodlight, illuminating your yard while keeping an eye on things. With 24/7 recording and dual cam functionality, you'll never miss a moment, whether it's a squirrel stealing your birdseed or an unexpected visitor. Best of all, there's no monthly fee. It's like having a personal security guard, but without the awkward small talk. The price is just $219. Say goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to spotless floors with the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. This robot vacuum and mop combo is the ultimate cleaning sidekick, taking care of your home while you kick back with a snack or two. With advanced navigation and powerful suction, it tackles everything from crumbs to pet hair, all while avoiding your furniture like a pro. The mopping function ensures your floors shine brighter than your future, and it even knows when to switch modes. Plus, you can control it from your phone, so you can start a clean while lounging in your pajamas. Who knew cleaning could be this easy? The price is just $1,088. Transform your home into a smart haven with the Kasa Smart Plug Ultra Mini. This little gadget packs a punch, allowing you to control your devices from anywhere using Alexa, Google Home, or Eufy. No hub required. With a compact design, it won't hog space on your power strip, making it perfect. Elevate your living space with the innovative DECORAPORT Smart Coffee Table. This isn't just a table, it's a multifunctional marvel. With a cold storage drawer, you can keep your drinks perfectly chilled. No more awkward trips to the fridge during movie night. It features wireless charging for your devices, along with USB and Type-C ports, so you can power up without cluttering your space with cords. Plus, the 110V socket means you can plug in just about anything. Its sleek white design adds a modern touch to your decor, making it the ultimate centerpiece for both style and convenience. Who knew coffee tables could be this cool? The price is just $1,299. Breathe easy with the MORENTO Smart Air Purifier. Designed for large rooms up to 1,076 square feet, this powerful purifier is your best friend in the battle against dust, pollen, and smoke. With Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility, you can control it with your voice. Because who doesn't love a little smart home magic? The PM2.5 air quality display keeps you informed about your indoor air quality, while the auto mode adjusts settings for optimal performance. Plus, it operates in quiet mode at just 24 dB, making it perfect for nighttime use. The price is just $125. Chill out with the GoveeLife Smart Ice Maker, your new favorite kitchen gadget. This portable ice machine can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, so you'll never have to endure a warm drink again. With the capacity to make 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, it's perfect for parties, picnics, or just keeping your drinks cold on a hot day. Featuring voice control and self-cleaning functionality, this ice maker takes convenience to a whole new level. Plus, it has RGB lights that add a fun touch to your countertop. Who knew ice could be this cool? The price is just $179. Transform your space with the Allesin Motorized Roller Blinds. These smart blackout shades are perfect for creating the ultimate cozy atmosphere, blocking out light when you need it most. With remote control functionality, you can easily adjust the blinds from the comfort of your couch. No more wrestling with cords. Battery-powered and stylishly designed in dark gray, these blinds fit perfectly in any modern home. Smart living has never looked so good. The price is just $66. Uncork the perfect pour with the BODEGA 15-inch wine fridge. This sleek mini fridge holds up to 31 bottles, making it a must-have for any wine lover. Featuring a double-layer glass door, it not only showcases your collection, but also keeps it protected from UV rays. With smart chip control, you can easily set the ideal temperature, while the temperature memory function ensures your wine is always kept just right, even after a power outage. Whether you choose to install it built-in or let it stand freely, this wine cooler is a stylish addition to your home bar. Cheers to effortless elegance. The price is just $449. Protect your home with the Moen 900-001 Flow Smart Water Monitor. This innovative device is your first line of defense against leaks and water damage. Designed for 3/4-inch diameter pipes, it monitors your water usage and detects leaks in real time. If it senses any issues, It automatically shuts off the water supply, saving you from potential disasters and costly repairs. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can check your home's water status right from your smartphone. Plus, it provides valuable insights into your water usage, helping you save on bills. Say goodbye to unexpected floods and hello to peace of mind. The price is just $314. Stay safe and smart with the X-Sense Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector Combo. This essential device not only detects smoke, but also monitors carbon monoxide levels, giving you comprehensive protection. With real-time app notifications, you'll be alerted instantly to any potential dangers, whether you're home or away. The replaceable battery ensures you won't be scrambling for replacements every few months. Protect your family with technology that's smart enough to keep you safe. The price is just $45. Upgrade your storage game with the DOCKCASE Pocket M.2 2230 NVMe SSD enclosure. This sleek and portable enclosure supports NVMe PCIe drives, providing lightning-fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. It's designed exclusively for size 2230 SSDs, making it the perfect companion for those who need speed and reliability. With its 3-second PLP, power loss protection, you can say goodbye to worries about data loss during unexpected shutdowns. Compatible with M-Key and BM-Key drives, it's versatile and easy to use. Whether you're backing up files or expanding your storage, this enclosure has you covered. The price is just $54. Secure your valuables with the Fingerprint Safe, the ultimate combination of safety and convenience. This compact biometric safe offers 0.80 cubic feet of storage, perfect for keeping cash, jewelry, and important documents safe from prying eyes. Its silent mode allows for discreet access, while the backlit keypad and LED light make it easy to use, even in low light. Keep your most important items secure in style with this smart money safe. The price is just $109. Power up your adventures with the Anker Power Bank Power Station. With a massive 60,000 mAh capacity, 192 Wh, this portable generator is perfect for travel, camping, or as a home backup. It features an impressive 87 W output, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The smart digital display keeps you informed about battery status, and the retractable auto lighting comes in handy during those late-night tense setups. Plus, the SOS mode ensures you're prepared for any emergency. Lightweight and compact, it's the ultimate travel companion, so you can keep the fun going wherever you roam. The price is just $84. Take control of your smart home with a smart button. This versatile 5-keys smart switch is a game changer for effortlessly managing your devices and scenes. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, it allows you to automatically trigger your favorite accessories. Just press a button. Whether you want to set the mood for movie night or turn off all the lights when you leave, this switch has you covered. It requires iOS 17.4 or later, ensuring you're always connected. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any decor, making smart living stylish and easy. Say goodbye to fumbling with apps and hello to simple, one-touch control. The price is just $34. And there you have it, your guide to the coolest smart home gadgets that make life easier and a bit more fun. With these innovations, you can turn your home into a seamless blend of convenience and style. Whether it's simplifying daily tasks or impressing your friends, these tech wonders are sure to elevate your space. So go ahead, embrace the smart lifestyle, and let your home do the work for you. Until next time, keep it smart and stay connected.